Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super excited about it today guys. A few videos we're making on the Mercedes, so please subscribe. More than 100 to come on that CLK. And we'll show you how to remove and replace the windshield wiper arm on those. This one will be for E-Class as well. You can see the one with the single wiper like that. We'll need to open the hood guys. And you can actually open it all the way up in service position, or you can close it almost all the way, which way it's more comfortable for you. Here, this one you need to grab it on the bottom, spread it out. It has two locks, and then you gently pull it out. Okay, like that. We need an Allen wrench now. Check out our website guys, Mechanic Lifestyle. We'll be putting all the tools, links for tools and products used on Amazon, so you can get them if you need to. Okay, and we'll need to remove that bolt there. Alright, check it out, super simple so far. Okay, we pull the bolt out, and now you grab it. Okay, wiggle it a little bit and just pull straight out. Okay guys, this is the whole windshield wiper arm. So if you want to paint them or install a different one, if yours is bent, that's how you guys remove it. Alright guys, so it's important how we install that thing. You need to make sure that everything goes where it's supposed to. That's where the bolt goes. So you get it in place, you push it all the way in. You can lubricate it a little bit if it doesn't go in all the way. Okay, wiggle it, it's gonna go to the point that we can install the bolt, because if you don't install it right, it's going to come off and you're going to lose it. Break it. Okay, and you can even bend the hood if that happens. Alright, perfect, got it tight. Next we need to install the little trim. You go from this side first, push towards the front. Okay, and just click like that and it's a done deal. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.